Alright guys, Matt here with NWD again. We got some pouring rain for you in the Tesla Model S Plaid Hardware 4. And it is working. It's pouring right now. We're on the highway, doing about 60. We do have some speed limitation here. It says poor weather detected, full self-driving may be degraded, so it's keeping our speed limited. I threw it in chill profile just to give us a little extra distance, and you know, we don't want to be too aggressive in the rain, but so far so good. We're humming right along. We've been stopping, no issues with the traffic, and you know, it's been driving just like I would, basically, seeing everything, and yeah, it's having no issues. So far so good. It is working in the rain. It's I've got the wiper blades on the maximum setting to give you an idea how hard it's raining. Pretty damn hard. I don't know if we can pull up the weather radar here. We'll get a better idea, but we're right in the middle of this nice red cell passing over us, so pretty good downpour been going on, and quite a bit of fog as well. So if I crash, I'll let you guys know, and we can rescind everything good I've ever said about FSD. Alright, we're changing over to the right lane. Probably a result of my chill mode setting. I'm going to tell it to go back over to the left just because I don't really want to sit right behind this car. I do wish you could manually adjust the following distance a little better, because it kind of keeps the same following distance whether we're in the dry or the wet. So it would be nice to give extra distance in the rain like this. Picking up speed a little to 65, 63 now. Let's see. Get over. Our cameras are looking here. Pretty clear. We can see next to us on both sides. So even though we get a lot of rain, it's able to see in our blind spots. The rear camera is pretty messy, but I don't think it needs that one as much as the side camera. So the pillars are pretty important. And yeah, we'll see what it does. It's going to come up on some traffic here. Down. Alright, so I'm going to end the video here, guys, but I just want to show you FSD does work in the pouring rain. It's working, at least on version 13.2.9. It's working pretty well and no issues thus far, so I think we're about ready for robotaxis. Alright. Make sure you like, subscribe. Have a good day.